You ever see Lucky Dog? Or the Dog Whisperer? Well, I am the Fish, and I am a dog lover. This is not my dog, but I am training a dog just for a short time while she's with us. It's called babysitting, taking care of one. Artemis is a rescue dog. They need quite a little bit more attention than a regular puppy. She's like you on YouTube. She's set in her ways. How do I take care of a dog walking her? Not through a smartphone or YouTube video. It's just something that we do natural, that we know how to teach and share to the world through YouTube. The one lesson I will tell you: try not to have your dog on a long leash. Always walk your dog on one side and try not to let her tell you where to go. That's the lesson for today. I don't make it a ton of things. You'd never learn if I gave you 20 lessons in one video. You think you have what it takes to have a dog and have fun with them? It takes a lot of responsibility. Yes, indeed. You have to walk them, feed them, care for them, play for them. Yes, indeed. They're not a kid. They're our child, for sure. And they need a lot of attention. It's like the other side. Be respectful. Oh yeah. Pick up after your dog and all that good stuff. It works both ways, having a dog. And a lot of people don't have that responsibility or care. And they just get a dog because. Artemis wants to go further. She has a path she walks. We're not going to break her habit, but we are going to stand and not break her habit. But pull her, give her a little yank. Come on, Artemis. Now she'll sit there until she gets her way. This is how you break the habit. Come on. And she'll come. She'll eventually walk. And there she goes. That's pogos for you. Just like my fellow YouTubers. Oh yeah. You got the time? You can do it. Just like anything you got. And on that note, I am Fish, and I thank you very much for viewing, and have a great day, and enjoy. My time. We walk dogs on the street, right hand side, on the curb, to pish on the tires and the street. Today we walk on a sidewalk, and that's what we do. And wherever the dog poops, they poop and pish. This is how we train a dog. Give him a freedom of a long leash and walking on the sidewalk.